Welcome to Nova. Want to make $300 a day without showing your face, using your voice, or having any experience? This isn't a gimmick, it's a simple YouTube plus ChatGPT strategy anyone can use to build income fast. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get started and automate your earnings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more faceless income hacks. Let's get started. 1. Why you don't need experience or a voice to make money on YouTube anymore. It used to be that only charismatic YouTubers with expensive cameras, perfect lighting, and golden voices could build profitable channels. But times have changed. Thanks to artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT and faceless automation platforms, you no longer need to be a video editor, scriptwriter, or even show your face to build a wildly profitable YouTube channel. In fact, you don't even need to speak. Channels today are making $300 per day or more using simple tools to generate videos that people binge watch, especially in niches like finance, motivation, tech, health tips, and business breakdowns. The key is creating content people already want, then using artificial intelligence to build videos at scale. What matters now isn't personality, it's consistency and value. ChatGPT helps you script videos. Free artificial intelligence voices or low-cost text-to-speech tools do the narration. Stock footage and tools like Pictory, InVideo, or Canva help you turn words into professional videos. This method is ideal for introverts, side hustlers, or anyone who's not comfortable on camera. Best part? You don't need experience. You just need a system and a willingness to execute. 2. Step 1. Pick a niche that pays and doesn't require your face. First, start by choosing a high-paying, low-competition niche. Faceless content works best in evergreen areas like personal finance, health tips, tech reviews, or educational explainers. Use ChatGPT to generate a list of niche ideas and keyword research tools like VidIQ or TubeBuddy to find topics with high search demand and low competition. These tools will help you identify trending video ideas that people are already searching for, but that don't yet have saturated content. Not every niche is made equal when it comes to faceless content. If your goal is to make $300 per day, you need to focus on high cost per mile niches. These are niches advertisers are willing to pay top dollar for. Think personal finance, investing, artificial intelligence and tech tools, online business, productivity hacks, and even self-improvement. Why? Because viewers in these niches are often looking to take action, open accounts, buy software, or learn skills. That means you can also monetize with affiliate links and sponsorships in addition to YouTube ads. For example, a 10-minute video in the personal finance space can earn $15 to $30 per 1,000 views. That's much higher than entertainment or gaming. Once you pick a niche, study 3 to 5 successful faceless channels in that space. Break down their video titles, formats, and thumbnails. Don't copy, reverse engineer. Use ChatGPT to help brainstorm video ideas based on what's trending in that niche. It can even help you write search engine optimization optimized titles and YouTube descriptions. The goal is to model success, not reinvent the wheel. Choose a niche, commit to it, and prepare to publish consistently. 3. Use ChatGPT to script videos in under 10 minutes. Once your niche is selected, it's time to create content. This is where ChatGPT becomes your secret weapon. Instead of spending hours scripting or researching, simply prompt ChatGPT with something like, write a 500-word YouTube script in a conversational tone about 5 passive income ideas for beginners in 2025. Within seconds, you'll get a solid draft. From there, ask ChatGPT to shorten or expand sections, make the tone more casual, or add more data/statistics. You can even ask it to generate a video hook, the first 15 seconds of your video designed to grab attention fast. Want to go further? Ask ChatGPT to rewrite the script in parts. For example, break the script into 5 sections with call to actions, transitions, and cliffhangers. This makes the viewer stay longer, boosting your watch time and video ranking. Once the script is ready, you can either use free text-to-speech tools like Play.it, 11 Labs, or TTS Maker to voice it, or hire affordable AI voice artists on Fiverr. No voice? No problem. The end result? a high-quality, educational, binge-worthy script that sounds like it was written by a pro. Done in minutes, not hours. 4. Turn scripts into videos using video tools. Now that you have your script and voiceover, it's time to produce the video. You don't need expensive software like Adobe Premiere. Instead, use drag-and-drop tools like Pictory, InVideo, or Canva Video. These tools allow you to paste your script and voiceover, then automatically generate visuals, stock footage, text overlays, and transitions. They even match footage to the spoken words using artificial intelligence. The result? A professional-looking video made in under an hour, even if you've never edited before. Next, use ChatGPT to write your video scripts. Just give it a prompt like write a 2-minute script about how to save $1,000 fast, and it will create a clean, engaging script. You can also ask it to break down complex topics, structure them with attention-grabbing hooks, and format them for retention, making your content more watchable and shareable. For the voiceover, use artificial intelligence tools like 11 Labs, Murph.ai, or Play.it. These platforms let you upload your ChatGPT script and convert it into a natural-sounding voiceover. You don't need to speak a word, and your videos will still sound professional and clear. To create the visuals, use free stock footage from sites like Pexels, Pixabay, or Mixkit. Combine the footage with your artificial intelligence voiceover in video editing tools like CapCut, InVideo, or Canva's video editor. Even if you have no editing experience, these platforms are beginner-friendly and offer drag-and-drop functionality to assemble clips, add background music, subtitles, and transitions. For example, Pictory can take your entire script and turn it into a video slideshow using high-resolution stock clips and background music. You can drag and drop to rearrange scenes, change fonts, add animations, and more. Canva is great if you want more creative control or infographic-style content. Don't forget to add an eye-catching thumbnail. Use Canva's free thumbnail templates and model thumbnails that are already working in your niche. Use big bold text, expressive imagery, and contrast colors. 5. Monetize and scale to $300/day with the right strategy. Once your videos start getting traction, monetization kicks in. The first milestone is joining the YouTube Partner Program, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's when you unlock AdSense income. But don't wait to monetize, add affiliate links from day one. For example, promote budgeting apps, artificial intelligence tools, book summaries, or course platforms. Just a few affiliate signups a day can bring in $100 to $200 per month early on. Once monetized, a high cost per mile channel can make $10 to $25 per 1,000 views. At 40,000 views per month, just 2 to 3 viral videos, you're already near $300 per month from ads alone. Monetization comes in multiple forms. First is YouTube AdSense, which kicks in after 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But even before hitting that milestone, you can earn by inserting affiliate links in your video description. Promote tools like ChatGPT, stock video sites, or financial products using affiliate platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, or Amazon Associates. When viewers click your link and make a purchase, you earn a commission, sometimes even recurring. Post consistently, ideally 3 to 5 times per week. The more videos you have, the more income streams you create. ChatGPT makes content creation fast and scalable, so batching scripts and voiceovers in advance lets you automate your workflow. Now imagine publishing consistently. 3 to 4 videos per week, each compounding in reach. Add email capture links below your videos. Sell digital products like ebooks or Notion templates. Offer exclusive content via Patreon. Use shorts to boost channel growth and pull in new viewers daily. Eventually, brands will reach out for sponsorships. This is how you scale. Once your system is proven, outsource tasks. Hire a script editor, an artificial intelligence voice pro, and a video editor. Spend more time on strategy, less on execution. That's when $300 per day becomes a floor, not the ceiling. You don't need a studio, a mic, or experience, just smart tools and a strategy. Are you ready to try this YouTube Plus ChatGPT system yourself? Drop a comment and share your thoughts. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Nova for more ways to earn online without showing your face. See you in the next one.